Hello, I'm Mike Bevan. I spent my career working on both public and private sector digital transformations. As part of the UK government's digital service, I led the Exemplar programme, which delivered 20 new digital services in 400 days. And now, at AWS, I spend my time advising governments around the world on how to approach, strategise and implement digital transformation projects. From this experience, I think there are broadly 6 areas or pillars that, if you get right, lead to success. In this penultimate pillar, I'm going to talk about how to make transformation stick. There are a number of reasons organisations downgrade or abandon projects, but successful transformations are durable and gain their own momentum. Firstly, consider a central owner to set direction and hold everybody to it. This may be through reporting successes as well as by upholding policies and standards governing the use of modern digital technology. It supports rather than replaces delivery teams who will remain responsible for day-to-day decision-making and implementation. Second, the policies and standards outlined earlier don't come alive on their own, so consider investing time in socialising and explaining them throughout the organisation with everybody who will use or even come into contact with them. Communicating the supporting policies along with the vision and goals gives people a sense of what success looks like, aligns them to the vision and encourages them to come on board. Thirdly, gain situational awareness. What does the landscape look like? Understand the technology that has been committed to, its purpose, whether it was working or how much it cost. Gaining a central view of the spend and deployment across government will help this. The most effective time to get information is to check on new projects before they go forward and also to review what is already in place in that department. Check that the technology is sensible, no one else is doing the same thing, and that the programs are designed around the user need, the citizen need. These checks help map what is in place and what projects should progress or stop. Fourth, ask what mechanisms exist to identify and correct behaviours or practices that are heading off course. What happens when programs move away from the policies and standards? As well as a reporting mechanism to the central owner, which could be a board or an individual, some organisations provide sanctions designed to help keep projects on track, such as the power to pause them. If that's the choice, it's helpful to have transparent criteria, so these decisions are clear and evidence-based. It also helps if everybody understands that the policies, standards and other governance rules that they hopefully have co-created in the first place are only there to promote the best results. Use success stories to motivate good practices that can be shared through team events and workshops and as blog posts in the relevant communities within the organisation. This brings another benefit. Champions of change emerge and inspire others, particularly if this becomes a route to career growth and advancement. This strengthens the chances of the new approach completely replacing the old ways of working, the new organisational culture, because the community feels it's about them and run by them. The transformation programme is no longer a programme, but simply the way things are done. It's durable and has gained its own momentum. This has been one part of our series discussing digital transformation in government. Please use the links below for the other parts and supporting material and tools to help your customers with their digital transformation. Thank you for watching.